I think it's about time that I try this whole CBD thing that everyone is talking about. I want to hop on this bandwagon, you know, and not be the loser that doesn't use CBD oil, so I just not sure where to go. So, 1,000 milligrams of CBD oil for $79.99 from Wellicy.com. $79.99 for 1,000 milligrams of CBD oil? What do I look like? A multi-millionaire over here? Oh, third-party lab results? I ain't no scientist. I ain't got time to read these. I just want my CBD relief. I think the best place to go is gonna be Amazon.com. Let's head on over to my good friend over at Amazon.com and see if, you know, they have lower prices than that Wellicy.com. I don't even know who the hell those guys are. Oh, well, would you look at this? Ultra premium hemp oil with 3,000 milligrams in it for only $31.49. No research needed. This is a 3,000 milligram hemp oil, so of course it's CBD oil, for only $31.49. Ultra premium at that, for only $31.49. That is definitely the go-to option for me because I'm on a budget and I mean, you know, I'm gonna get the cheapest price for the most CBD. I guess Amazon.com is going to get my business for this CBD oil. Well, would you look at that? Amazon followed through on their promise. Must be my CBD oil. Oh, there's the CBD oil. What the hell? Hemp seed oil, 3,000 milligrams, okay, that's what it said on the page. Does not contain CBD.
Does not contain CBD.
What the hell? I just wanted CBD for my inflammation. Oh my god! Damn you, Amazon! This is bullshit. Should have bought from Wellicy.com.
Fucking hemp seed oil from Amazon.